We got ourselves a nice largemouth. He's fighting friggin' good. Barely hooked though. I haven't fished this lake in almost 2 years. Wow. Look at that thing. What the hell happened to him? There we go. Nice. I like to see it. Look at how freaking, like a puncture. That's a nice bass right there. Like I said, I haven't fished this lake in almost 2 years. But now I'm back here and hopefully I do good today. Hopefully. There we go. This guy's fighting good. He might be gut hooked, which I think he is. That's a nice one there. He's fighting good. I touched him. That's a nice fish right there. Second fish, almost same spot. There we go. Nice one. There we go. That's a nice one. There we go. Nice. That looks like a schoolie. That's a nice little keeper, I think. Get him back, guys. That's a keeper. That's a small keeper. There we go. That's a bass. Barely hooked. Small though, really small. Getting it. Yeah, small keepers. There you go. That's probably maybe a keeper, honestly. I don't even know. Not bad. Keeper, but another small one. Oh shit. Oh, okay. There we go. That's a nice one there. Fatty. Not bad. Fighting good for his size though. That was a smallmouth at first. One of these sons of bitches. Small little guy. Get him unhooked real quick. Hey? Ooh, that's a little nice one for in here. There we go. Got him. That's a nice one. There we go. Nice 2.5 pound fish. There we go. Right on the dock too. They like docks at this lake. That's probably the biggest of the day. Or tied with that other one, but get him back in. There we go. Alright guys, GoPro's acting up. There's another decent one here. Another keeper. Good keeper size. Ooh. There we go. Nice one. Get him back in. Ooh. The one here. Is that a largemouth or a smallmouth? He's fighting like a smallmouth. It's a largemouth. It's... Wow. What the? That's probably one of the hardest to find largemouth I ever caught in my life. Oh, because he was hooked in the eye. What the hell, man? He was fighting too hard for his size. You've seen that, right? There we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. What is that? Oh, it's a big walleye. Holy shit. Look at that. Oh, man. This guy might be going on the stringer. He probably is, because they're in here pretty good. And he's a good keeper. Nice, that's a good one. There we go. That's kind of saved the day a little bit. Get some smaller bass. I didn't get them on video, but smaller ones. But hey, look at this. This is gonna be good dinner. Perfect size to keep. There's another perfect one to keep. That's perfect. We'll get him on a stringer. Nice, 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 nice. This guy's going on a stringer, a rock bass. A good amount of them in here. I think we'll put him on a stringer with that walleye. Not a bad one. A little multi-species today. That's a largie. It's a nice one too. He's fighting good. Tell you what though, they fucking fight good in here. He's fighting good. I think he engulfed it though. Wow, he's fighting good, man. There we go. There we go. Finally. There we go. And that's not a bad one. It's like my home lake average size, but for here, usually here this just used to be the average, but I don't know what. Supposedly there's a fish killer here. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. It's weird, but I'm still doing good. God. He's want to get me in that. He's out. He's out. What is this fish? Is he in it? It's another walleye. That's a nice one too. Oh man. Go gently. I don't know how bad my line is. It's almost the same size. Yes! Wow, he almost destroyed us in that. Another freaking walleye. Look at that. That's freaking funny. Wow, I should troll this, honestly. Look at that. We're gonna be eating good. I actually might give some meat to our neighbors. They need some fillets. They're old. I said in the perch video before we gave them some fillets, but that is nice, man. That is awesome. That's literally the same size. Yeah, he got me wrapped up in that. I'm like, will you mother effer? I'm like, I'm done. I'm like, that was done. But somehow he freaking got out. Wow. All right, well, that is freaking awesome. On the stringer, nice. I want to leave this rock bass go. Nice rock bass, but I'm gonna leave him go. He's a spawner. There we go. Well, guys, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Two big ones. You can't beat that, honestly. Two big ones. That's awesome. Awesome. Gonna get these guys. Actually, me and my dad are just gonna eat these ones. Next time I go somewhere else, I'm gonna keep them for neighbors. That's awesome. All right, guys, home now from a pretty decent day of fishing. I was expecting a little bit more size than bass, like I said, but that lake's a little weird sometimes. But I'm glad with the nice walleye. There we go. We got the nice walleye. Gonna flame up now. Walleye or perch? It's gonna be the same flaying as perch. Very simple. Again, let me show you. All right, guys, got the big walleye here. Got the other one right there. So basically, right here, walleye are pretty easier because the bone, you'll feel the backbone. Cut into them like this. Get back to the backbone. Flame out. Follow the backbone down. Follow all the way down. Flip it over. Cut the meat off the scales. Again, one of the most simple ways of flaying these fish. Everyone has different ideas, but like different techniques. Different techniques flaying fish, but really that's a good way. Again, my trusty old electric flaying knife. This thing, I promote this thing all the time, but really, it's really nice. It is. It makes things quicker, but I'm gonna get this guy flayed out, and yeah, this should be pretty good. Sure, that's a nice freaking walleye here. That's a really nice one. That's probably about 20-inch walleye. The teeth on those things, friggin', they have more like pointy teeth than like pike teeth. Probably they're like razors, but yeah, this is gonna be really nice flay. Got the two other ones flayed up there. But now get this guy done. See my knife is, guys, how I'm following along that backbone. That's basically what I'm doing. I'm not gonna do it because I don't want to mess it up, but that's basically what you do. Follow it out. So right here, guys, see this stuff here? Cut this out. See, I don't know if you can hear that. That's bone. That's rib cage. Cut that out like that. There you go. See how I got the fillet like this, guys? See how I flipped it over? You want to cut that meat off the scale. I'm not going to do it because it's kind of a pain with one hand, but anyways, just cut that meat off that skin like that. Alright, got these big fillets cut up now. Time to cool down the water, and I don't know how to do these guys yet. I don't know what I'm going to do, but pretty much that's how you do them. Alright, guys, got the fish on the grill now. Just simple way of cooking it. Just olive oil, all seasoning, and just lemon juice. That's it. Just something simple. But yeah, actually now it's like mid-September, so it's like when you're seeing this video is actually when I basically cooked these fish, but that was in May. Great day of fishing, actually. But anyways, this is how I do it. Really simple way of cooking fish, grilling it, but you can't go wrong with that. I mean, it's one of the most simplest ways of cooking fish, and one of the best ways too. But these will take a little bit because they're bigger fillets, but yeah, let these on for a little bit, and yeah, it should be pretty good. A good way to tell if these fish are done yet, which they are not, is they start breaking apart pretty easily. See how these are kind of tough yet? Yeah, so like, not for a little while yet. Again, the bigger the fillet, there's a bone right here. The bigger the fillet, the more, like, the longer it'll take. So a little bit yet on these fish. But yeah, it should be good. And I'm definitely not eating all these fish too. I mean, my dad's having some too. It's not just me eating these things. There's a lot of fish here. Well, nice flavors, but yeah, this is doing very good. Okay, guys, I just flipped them now. They're getting done now. This one's really falling apart. This one is probably actually done, but a little thicker fillet, so actually, yeah, this one is really done. See how it's falling apart? Yeah, this one's pretty much done. But these ones are taking a little bit longer because, again, the thicker the fillet. But yeah, flip them. Should be getting near done very soon. But again, these bigger fillets I like to flip, so I just want to tell you guys that. But yeah, should be. This one is probably done, honestly. I must have screwed that fillet up flaying. I don't even remember. That's so long ago. But I think I did. But yeah, just a little bit more. This fillet's done, I think. Yeah, see how it's falling apart? So yeah, it's falling apart now. So it's pretty much done. But yeah. Alright guys, pretty much the fish is done. A couple more minutes, seconds. It's not going to take much long. Again, this one is pretty much done. This one's done. It's sticking to the limit for this one is done. Yeah, this one is more than done. But these ones is a little bit more. But anyways, that's how you do them, guys. A simple way of cooking fish. You can do this anywhere. You can do this in the woods. You can do this home. You can do this anywhere. It's a very simple way of cooking fish. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, these fish were from May. Now it's mid-September. But yeah, great. That was a really good day of fishing. 2 really nice walleyes. But yeah, great day of fishing. But again, hopefully this fall season's gonna be good. I'm hoping it is. I'm hoping salmon's gonna be good. Hopefully hunting season. Hopefully, you know, fishing in my area is good. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later, guys.